What's up, everybody? I'm back. It's your boy Groove Logic. It's been a while since I've posted, especially on YouTube. So where I have been focusing mainly on the Hive blockchain. I've been focusing on some other projects as well, but I am back, and we're going to be all about some nomadic DJ sessions here in the fan cave. I'm actually getting ready to start traveling a lot this summer, so I'm going to be going around, setting up all over the country. Going to be doing a little cross-country trip with my kids. It's going to be really fun. So yeah, be ready, looking out for that. Also, what I'm doing is going through, I'm really in love with the Launchpad app on the iPad. It's probably my most used tool, next to like Tractor DJ, that kind of thing. But as far as like production is concerned, the Launchpad app is definitely where I'm at with this. So it has, if you pay for the subscription, it has like all these different sound packs that you get access to. You can buy them individually, which I used to do, but now they've got like a little subscription thing that gives you full access to all the effects and all the different, settings. And then it gives you access to all the different sound packs. So I've got a plethora of music to go through. Most, if not all of it, there are some that were done by artists and you can't use for commercial use or anything like that. But the majority of the stuff is all, I can use all the samples and everything for commercial use. I've actually created songs from some of these sample packs, mixed them up in Logic Pro, done a complete, rearrangement of a lot of these things. And, it's just a great way, it's a good, easy way to, kind of get a set down kind of thing. If you're not, going to be doing a lot of, sound production of your own. I do a mix of both, so I like using some of the beats and grooves from this and putting my own synth lines on top of it and that kind of thing in Logic Pro. So, but what I do with a lot of these packs too is just make like scratch videos. So what I'm going to be doing is going through a lot of these packs. We're going to be recording basically what I call a discovery set. It's where I'm going through, this particular one that we're going to start with today, I've actually just gone through one good time. I decided I'm going to record the set. So, yeah, we're going to do a little screen session. So what you're going to see is you're going to see the different samples and stuff lighting up of what I'm playing and going through. And then you'll see the different effects buttons that I'm hitting. You're not going to see my fingers or anything hitting, but you're going to see, when I cue them up, because it is going to be a screen share thing on the iPad. So you'll get to see what's going on with that, how I'm doing like a little live production on the beats, and what I'm doing is going through and finding stuff that I want to use for like scratch sessions and things like that. So yeah, stay tuned, and let's get right into the music. I'm going to shut up now. Alright, so you guys now see a little bit of my process on how I kind of go through the Launchpad app. I really just kind of run through all the tracks, just kind of see how that whole set's going to flow. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll go through and I'll move samples around. If I think it, fits better in different parts of the sample pack, I'll actually go through, create my own sample packs, and then move some of the samples around and that kind of thing. Yeah, I'll do that sometimes. Mainly I'll do that when I record samples and go into Logic Pro. It's just kind of easier to deal with sometimes. So yeah, there you kind of see my process there with Launchpad. We're going to be doing a lot more of these sessions as I go through and I discover these sound packs. So be a great way for you to kind of check out the app as well. So if you're interested and you have an iPad, or even I guess an Android tablet, I'm not sure. So don't hold me on that one because I'm an iOS guy. Anyway, go to the App Store, download Novation Launchpad, get started making some beats today. So anyway, it's your boy Groove Logic, back as the nomadic DJ, doing all kind of stuff. Gonna be doing traveling, setting up little portable stuff, just showing you what you can do on the road with very minimal equipment. You don't have to have a whole turntable setup, or a whole, big computer studio setup just to make some tunes. So get out there, enjoy a park, a beautiful day outside, and enjoy life, man. Make some tunes. So you guys have a great day. Keep calm and groove on. Peace.